Hello everyone, my name is Vishwa. I'm here to submit my solution for Resume Project Challenge 8 conducted by Codebasics. What is this Resume Project Challenge 8? It is about providing insights to the product strategy team in banking domain. Let me clearly explain the problem statement. Mitron Bank, a financial legacy institution headquartered in Hyderabad, decided to introduce a new line of credit cards for their customers to broaden their product offerings and reach the financial market. AtliQ Data Services came to know about this project and approached Mitron Bank with a proposal to implement this project. The strategy director of Mitron Bank, Mr. Bashnir Rover, asked them to do a pilot project with the sample data before handing over the full project, and they provided a sample data set of 4,000 customers across 5 cities on their online spending and other details. What is the expectation? The analysis is expected to guide them tailoring credit cards based on customer needs and market trends. Regarding dataset, we have been provided two tables. DIM customers contains customer information, customer ID, which is used to uniquely identify customer, age group, city, gender, marital status, occupation. These are key customer demographics and average monthly income. Fact spends contains customer ID month. We have 6 months of data from May to October. Categories like bills, groceries, electronics, and so on. Payment type include credit cards, debit cards, UPI, and net banking, and their spend. Before deep diving into the analysis, let me also cover the dashboard and visuals used in it. Here is the dashboard: income, expense, and income utilization percentage. These three are the customer key metrics, and these five are customers' demographics. And this bar chart tells us the customer count and their percentage. And this scatter plot tells us the customer distribution by income versus expense and their income utilization percentage. And the most important section of the dashboard: expense percentage across demographics. Within demographic, expense percentage distribution by customers, payment type, categories. And within demographics, expense percentage contribution within demographics. Here, expense percentage by categories, payment type, and their absolute value and percentage. Here, there will be a lot of questions arises here, like what is income utilization percentage, expense percentage, contribution across demographics and within demographics. I will explain all within a few minutes. Regarding the approach and key metrics I used, first let me explain the expense. The customer expense might vary from month to month for the same category. So I have used their average monthly expense by aggregating 6 months of the spending. And here is the formula. Why I have used expense percentage rather than income utilization percentage. One important thing to consider here is I have considered their age groups, These are expenses and income utilization percentage. Why 35 to 45 age group have higher income utilization percentage than 25 to 34, even though their absolute expense is less? It is because the incomes of both groups are different. So I have used their expense percentage to find the customers eligible for new lines of credit cards. And within the expense percentage, I have two metrics: across demographic, within demographic. What is across demographic? Percentage contribution of each expense category to the total spending across all groups of selected customer demographics. And within demographics is percentage contribution of each expense category to the total spending within each group. And last, income utilization is the ratio of spend to the income. Let me explain the customers and category wise age group. Here, 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 are high value customers for new line of credit cards. Specifically, 25 to 34 for bills, groceries, electronics, travel and food. 35 to 45 bills, groceries, electronics, and health and wellness. Does this mean the rest of the groups are not eligible? No. For instance, 21 to 24 age group spends 22.07% expense on entertainment. So they can be offered credit cards with entertainment brands like Book My Show, Inox Cinemas, PVR Cinemas, and 45 plus categories. More importantly, bills, groceries, and health and wellness. For city, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore are high value customers for new credit cards for the categories bills, groceries, electronics, health and wellness, and travel. Chennai and Hyderabad are also eligible for specific category wise credit cards like bills, groceries, and electronics. For customer demographic gender, males are the high value customers for new credit cards for bills, groceries, electronics, travel, food, and entertainment. Females are also eligible for specific category wise credit cards, health and wellness, and apparel. So they can be offered credit cards with a wide range of benefits such as discounts on annual doctor checkups, complimentary fitness sessions, free video consultations with doctors, and many more. When it comes to the marital status, people who are married are the high value customers for new line of credit cards for bills, groceries, electronics, health and wellness, and travel. Singles are also eligible for specific category wise credit cards, electronics, bills, and entertainment. Yes, for the customer demographic occupation, salaried IT employees, business owners, and other employees, that is, salaried other employees, are the high value customers. Specifically, IT employees for bills, groceries, electronics, health and wellness, and travel. Business owners for categories like bills, groceries, electronics, travel, and entertainment. Business owners might spend more on travel and can be offered credit cards with benefits like complimentary launch access, free flight tickets, co-branded benefits with airlines or travel partner, and many more. And salaried other employees for bills, groceries, electronics, health and wellness, and food. Freelancers and government employees are also eligible for specific category-wise credit cards, that is bills, groceries, electronics. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.